Our top story at 6, the local court system in Bibb County is in the early stages of getting back up and running. Courts across the state had been on pause because of the pandemic, but Tuesday, Georgia Supreme Court Chief Justice Harold Melton said jury trials can resume. 41 NBC's Ariel Schiller spoke with Macon Judicial Circuit District Attorney Anita Howard and others about how it will be different.
Jury trials were put on hold last year because of the pandemic. Now, thanks to an order from the Georgia Supreme Court, they're able to put a dent in the backlog of more than 900 cases. District Attorney Anita Howard says they did preliminary planning in the event this ruling came down. She says jury trials will start in Bibb and Peach counties in April. Grand juries will resume at the end of March.
I'm glad that the court is allowing the jury trials to resume again. We have began to meet with judges. We also have to form a written protocol, kind of outline how things will work. And so we have already begun that process.
DA Howard says they're working to get the wheels of justice moving again, but it is going to take some time. Not only do they have more than 900 cases waiting to go to trial, they also have more than 600 cases waiting to be presented to the grand jury.
To be able to get the wheels of justice to begin to turn, it is providing, I believe, my office hope, the public defender, victims of crime, as well as defendants who have been charged with criminal offenses.
We spoke with the Bibb County Clerk of Court, Erica Woodford, about how jury duty is going to look different. She says jurors will report in a staggered manner. They also have stickers on chairs to help maintain social distancing. She says the jury assembly room usually seats 220, but now they'll only be able to accommodate 65 to 70 people and about 30 in the overflow room.
That will mean that our jury orientation will take much longer than usual, but that's just something that we have to do in order to have precautions.
Woodford says she's frightened to resume trial court because she's had COVID twice. Also, several people in her office contracted the virus. They do have plexiglass in place to protect her and her staff.
I do understand that, we have to resume trials so that we can conduct the business of the courts, so that we can make sure we don't have any backlog, and, so that we can continue to move forward.
Woodford says with trials resuming, their goal is to ensure everyone stays safe.
We have sanitizers set up all over. We make sure that the jury room is clean multiple times a day when we do have people in, and that everyone is spaced out.
Woodford says people can be excused or deferred for a jury summons if they contract COVID or if they've been exposed to the virus. In Macon, Ariel Schiller, 41 NBC News.
And Howard says their top priority is trials for people who are incarcerated.